So let me ask you, the average person's watching this right now saying, okay, Robert, I'm not like you. I don't run a company. I don't have a brand. I haven't sold 41 million copies. I don't have oil. I don't have rental properties. What can I do? I'm in a time like this. You're telling me the market's going to go in shambles here pretty soon because of currency, and we printed $500 billion of money in September just in 1 month, not including the $3 trillion we printed in the last 7 years prior to that. What do I do to be prepared for a time like this?
Well, first of all, everybody can do something, but they won't. And that's the problem. So there's something rotten inside America. And I think the problem with many Americans is they're complacent. They expect, well, it'll heal itself again. So the thing that everybody can do is, I have millions in gold coins and silver coins. I just kept saving it because I don't trust the dollar. So everybody can buy a silver coin today for $20. A silver eagle is $20. But how many people will go to a coin shop and buy it? Probably none. Less than 1/10% of Americans own precious metals. And silver today is 50% below its all-time high. So silver is the biggest bargain sitting in the market as we speak today. It's about $20. It should go to 50. So at $20, and I tell my friends, I go, yeah, think about it. So everybody can afford $20. Kids can afford $20. The thing is, people won't do it, and you know that too. When you deal with people, most people are pretty sedentary. They want to do the same old thing. Well, I'm happy. Nothing's going to happen. Oh, he's just trying to scare me. But I was talking to my doctor last night. He says, "You've been saying this stuff for 25 years. I never listened to you." Now what do I do? Because his 401k, as we cover in this book here, the average firefighter has about 1.2 million pension, but there's nothing there.
What do you mean?
Their payout's going to be about 1.2 million.
The average firefighter retiree has a $1.2 million pension payout.
Yeah, that's how much they'll get paid out.
Okay.
But there's nothing there as a problem.
Meaning what? Meaning they don't have the money to pay the benefits?
It was stolen. It was stolen by Wall Street. You don't buy gold coins to make money. You buy gold coins because the dollar is going to go down. So I don't trust the dollar.
Anytime Buffett says, I remember when Buffett says, he bought $35 million of silver. I don't know if you remember that when he bought it. You're like, okay, be prepared because something's about to happen.
Yeah, there's something everybody can do. Like I said, everybody can buy a $20 silver piece. Everybody can afford $20. But will they do it? No. They'll be at Starbucks sucking it down instead.
So one is some kind of a precious metal is one.
For money.
For money as a form of investment, long term.
No, it's not even an investment. It's an insurance policy because the dollar is going to go down.
So you buy it and you resell it, or you buy it or you keep it?
Just keep it.
Okay, so long term, you buy it and you keep it and you set it aside.
I never sell.
Okay, so you buy it and you keep it. Okay, so that's one. So what else can I do today? If I know these bad times are coming, I'm a regular guy, what else do I do to position myself better?
Well, what a person does is what they can do. And since the average person has no financial education, they can't do much. So like, I can short the market. I'll make more money as the short's coming down. So I'm looking forward to it. But the average pensioner, they're handcuffed. They can't get out. If they take the money out, they're penalized 30%. They screwed them. They screwed everybody. That's Wall Street, the government, and all these guys.
So what can I do? I'm one of them. What do I do? Does it go back to employee, self-employed, business owner, investor? Like, go find a business, go start a business, go reposition yourself career-wise? Is there a 1, 2, 3-step process on what I can do to be prepared for it?
Well, the next book I'm writing with a guy named Jim Rickards. He wrote Currency Wars and all that. The next book I'm writing is called The Ravens. And Jim and I see eye to eye, definition of intelligence. He says, you should have gold and you should have silver. You should have museum quality artwork. I don't have any of that.
Museum quality artwork.
Yeah. And real estate. Income producing real estate. Like I have a friend in Panama. He has an avocado farm. He says, he's a Canadian. He says, I got out of Canada because Canada's in worse shape than America. Now, this guy's he's a bond trader. So he's sitting in Panama growing avocados. He says, because people have to eat. Another guy's friend of mine is growing blueberries. But another friend of mine, he moved up to, he was from Seattle, excuse me. He had a big house. His kids all moved out. So he converted the kids' bedrooms into one-bedroom apartments. So he put a kitchen and he put a toilet inside his little bedrooms. And so he now rents out 4 bedrooms. He's making more money today than ever before because a lot of workers commute to Seattle. So they come in, they check in, they come in on Sunday night, they check out Friday afternoon. It's at a little house. He's making more money. So the point is, everybody can do something, but you got to figure out what you can do.
Yeah, so to me, what I take away from what you just said right there is use your creativity to kind of position yourself in a way, whatever that could be. Just think outside the box and be creative.
Don't short stocks if you've never shorted a stock, because you know how dangerous that is.
100%, because it could flip on you and then you're...
you short and then it goes up.
Yeah.